Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new to the family. Welcome. I appreciate every single one of you for clicking on this video. As you can see, today we are going to be making curry chicken foot. It's my husband's favorite way of eating chicken foot. So yes, he's at work. I'm going to be surprising him with some of this good up curry chicken foot. All right, so stay tuned. So right here I have 2 packs and I'm going to be using 1.5. All right, so what I'm gonna say now, guys, when you're cooking your chicken foot, please do not cook it with the claws on it. You're supposed to remove them. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut those little toes off, those little claws. I'm gonna cut them off. And one other way that I like to do is to cut it, just give it a slice right across after cutting off the claws. I'm not completely cutting them in two, but I just give it one little slice. Yeah, that's how I like to do it. You don't necessarily have to do that, but that's how I like to do it, just like that. So I'm going to continue doing this, and then I'm going to rinse them with some vinegar, and then we're going to go into seasoning them. So now that all of them have been chopped and I have removed all my toes, I'm just going to rinse them with my vinegar, or you can use lime, whichever you have. And after rinsing them, I just go in with my chopped scallion, onion, and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, I know you have to have a little pepper in your curry. So if you are not a fan of pepper, then that's fine. I also have my better pack curry here. I'm going to use a tablespoon and a half of that. And you know, this is like my favorite curry to use because it's one of the best. And of course, I'm going to use a pinch of my masala, just a little pinch, because we don't want our curry to be bitter, okay? So after adding my masala, I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of my spicy Cajun seasoning. Whatever seasoning that you have at your home in your cupboard, go ahead and use that. But when you're cooking curry, you don't need a lot of powdered seasoning. So that is why I'm only using 2. Alright. And I'm adding some of my creole seasoning, 1 tablespoon and a half of that. And yeah, all I need now is my garlic and I'm good. So usually when I'm cooking curry or brown stew, I like to use my minced garlic, but I just realized that I'm almost out. So I'm gonna use my garlic powder and whatever minced garlic I have remaining in the jar. Okay, so after that, then we're ready to cook our curry. So right here I have my pot already heated. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of curry. All right, we're just gonna burn the curry a little bit. We don't want it to burn up, so I'm gonna turn on my stove. It's a bit too high, and we're gonna stir around the curry a little bit in the pot. And yes, it's my Dutch pot again. Yes, cubs, then it's my favorite pot. So now we are adding our chicken foot and we're just gonna stir that around for about 5 minutes. We're gonna stir it around in the curry, allowing it to braise and everything to marry properly. All right, so the braising process normally takes about 5 minutes, wherein I just constantly stir. And after that 5 minutes, what I like to do is just add a little water, about half cup. And after adding the water, I just cover the pot and just allow it to simmer down to like a gravy-like consistency. And then I add my water and allow this to cook. So stay tuned for that. So now that I've added that half cup of water, I am just going to cover it as I said before and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to add enough water to cover the chicken foot. All right, we're going to add enough water to cover the chicken foot and allow it to cook. And you know, it takes a while to cook, so the water is going to reduce before the chicken foot is soft. So you just add some more water until it is soft. All right, so in about 45 minutes I am going to add my vegetables and allow them to cook. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna check my pot and my chicken foot was almost ready. So now it's time to add my veggies. And for my veggies, I'm going to add carrots, potatoes, and I'm also going to add pumpkin. And I know some people might not be used to pumpkin curry, but my husband's ancestors, they were Indians, and this is a thing that they do. They love pumpkin curry. So I am going to add pumpkin in this because that's one of his favorite thing. Yeah, pumpkin curry. So I added these, and I'm also gonna add some more flavor to the pot. Remember, the chicken foot has been cooking for a while, so I'm gonna add some more thyme, scallion, and onion. All right, so when it reaches my desired thickness, I'm going to turn it off. So some people like their gravy thick, some like it semi-thick, and some like it runny. It's up to you. All right. So once the chicken foot is cooked and your veggies are cooked, then it's up to you how you like your gravy. And if you like it thick, all you have to do is just take the cover off and allow the liquid to reduce to a gravy-like consistency until it is thick enough to your preference. All right. So basically that's it. So I'm going to share him a plate and I'm going to present it to you guys. So stay tuned for that. So after everything was cooked and my gravy reached my desired consistency, it's now dinner time. And I went ahead and prepared some fried chicken for myself because I don't eat chicken foot. Yes, I don't eat it. But because he loves it, I always prepare it for him. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't seen any of my fried chicken video, you can go over and check it out. I'll leave a link somewhere that you can just click on and check out those videos. All right, so it's dinner time, guys. I really appreciate every single one for clicking on my video. You guys are amazing and I appreciate every single one of you. So thank you all so much. Enjoy the rest of your week. Stay blessed, show some love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye bye.